All right, so my presentation is on the question, what are the main characteristics of nonprofit hospitals? So private nonprofit hospitals are also known as non-voluntary hospitals. These are hospitals that are run primarily through non-government entities such as community associations, philanthropic foundations, or religious groups. The primary missions of these hospitals is to provide care, good level of care, and benefit the communities that they are placed in. And typically, their operating expenses are covered from patient fees, third party reimbursements, donations, and endowments. These hospitals also tend to reinvest the money that they make back into their hospital to provide better level of care. In the United States, church-owned hospitals are actually very valuable. They provide care across 600 hospitals across the 50 states and provide care for up to one-sixth of all patients in the United States. Research has actually shown that these hospitals typically offer reliable and high quality level of care at a reasonable cost. Now, when it comes to can they legally make a profit, in a paper from 2020 by Rosier, it was stated that in 1956, the United States actually formalized nonprofit hospitals as tax exempt. So, what that means is based on the Internal Revenue Code, Section 501C, this grants them status to be nonprofit organizations, and they have to meet certain criteria to fit that label. And these institutions are free, exempt from federal, state, and local taxes such as income, sale, and property taxes. Of course, no business can survive if it continues to spend more than it brings in. That's why being tax exempt is very important. But most of the time, with these nonprofit institutions, they tend to reinvest it and lead to a better level of care. But these hospitals do have to meet that criteria in order to remain tax exempt. And so then they don't have to allocate funds towards taxes. They could continue to make a legal profit.